Taking care of environment should be a priority for every organization, regardless of its size and industry. Environmental issues, including climate change, atmospheric pollution, soil and groundwater contamination, ozone layer depletion, and disposal of hazardous waste are main concerns of the world. So how all these should be managed? Hello, my name is Hanar Melikov, and I'm charter member of IOSH and fellow member of IIRSM. I have worked in HSE and quality field for over 25 years in different industries. ISO 14001 standard provides guidelines on how to establish policies and procedures which will lead to better environmental performance, which will help organizations in maintaining and controlling environmental impacts and legal compliance. ISO 14001 Fundamentals course is accredited by IIRSM, a knowledge base for sitting guilds MVQ Level 3 in occupational health and safety qualification. In this course, I will provide in-depth awareness of ISO 14001 standard requirements and share my experience on how it works in real time. Anyone who is involved in any part of managing environmental management systems can benefit from this course. Before joining the course, let's take the opportunity and review the free introduction lesson for more details.